let me know if you're down. We gon' win all the awards, cause if you're down. We couple goals and couple goals, if you're down. When I attention, we go down if you're down. Just let me know, let me know.
What's up guys, real quick, I'm back with another video. So guys, I'm currently working on right now, and LIANA's in the backyard on the phone with her sister. So I thought of a genius video to do. So while working out, I will be making weird noises just to see her reaction. You ever been in the gym and you see those guys in the gym where they're making all those weird noises like, "Ugh!" I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be making some extreme weird noises just to annoy her, and I really want to see her reaction, how she's gonna react about it. Guys, listen, I don't want to talk too much. She's outside right now, and I'm gonna add the camera and I'll start this prank. Like, share, subscribe, Team Shane, King Shane. We're just waiting for LIANA right now. Move.
You sound like a broken down car. Like, why do you have to sound like this? Why do you have to sound like this?
Hold on. I got one more. Ready? You gonna work over here now? You wanna do something?
No. Oh, yeah. Not with that noise.
Alright. This one.
What are you doing?
I'm working on.
Can you just be quiet?
That's how you exhale to let it up, find the energy, babe. What are you talking about? You know what see the guys in the gym? They're like, that's how they get the energy. That's how I find my energy.
But why you have to do it like that?
That stuff come off naturally. I'm not doing it on purpose.
Oh my God, Shane.
Alright, come tip me real quick. I'm gonna need help you.
Leave me alone.
I'm gonna need help, baby.
Leave me alone.
I'm gonna need help with this one. Come on.
No.
Come on, help me.
I'm doing something. Bro. Can you shut up?
What?
Can you shut up?
Help me real quick, help me.
Really? Stop! Stop working out if you're gonna sound like that. It's too heavy for you.
That's why I need to help me. Baby, I need help. Ready?
No, just no. Can you work out?
Alright, ready? Come help me.
Stop working out like that.
Come help me real quick.
Stop working out like that. Please. Sounds ridiculous. If it's too heavy for you, just get a lighter weight.
No, I could do it.
Now you sound like a broken down car. Those cars that squeak or those beds. Why are you screaming like that?
This is heavy, baby. Hold on.
Oh, you're pissing me off.
Woo! I feel that one. Woo!
Can you just leave me alone?
Huh? How you doing, baby? Come tip me.
I'm paying the bill. Thank you.
Come tip me, baby.
Thank you.
Come tip me.
Paying the bill.
I've been doing this all day, man. I'm tired, but I could go and finish my last set.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
knife, Shane.
Hold on. I'm doing it.
No, bring it back down.
Move. Move, Lena.
Please,
Move.
just stop.
Move.
It's really bad, Shane. It's bad, for real. Seriously.
What's bad?
I don't want to hear you.
What are you doing?
Don't want to hear this.
What do you know you're gonna hear?
Look! Woo! I don't want to hear that.
Nah, you sound like an animal. I'm not making no noise. That's what the guys say in the gym. Like what? You never see the big guys? Come on. If you start by making noise, that's how you get them energy. What are you doing?
I'm doing.
This is guys. This is noise the guys are making in the gym. I'm gonna get there. Watch.
No, they don't. They don't sound like
I'm
that.
almost done. I'm almost done.
Can I pay a bill in peace? Seriously.
I'm not stopping you. Ooh. Ready.
It's too heavy. That's why you're making those noises.
Hold on. Move. Hold me. Help me real quick. Ready? Alright, I'm gonna go again. I need your help because I'm about to finish.
You're not getting my help.
Wait,
Work
please.
out by yourself because I don't want to hear you.
Alright.
You act like those weights are killing you. 40 pounds? You lift me up faster than that.
Nah, because my muscles are burnt. You don't understand. I've been doing this
No,
all
I
day.
don't understand.
Alright, ready?
No. I'm not hearing that. I'm not hearing that. You really need to stop. Stop!
Hold on, move. Wait, stop. I gotta wash my hands. Don't do that. Don't do that. I gotta wash my hand. What are you doing?
Don't do that, I said.
You don't take me when I gotta wash my hand?
Well, don't work out, I said.
Stop doing that, yo.
No, don't work out. Get over it.
I'm finished my set. I'm almost done.
No, you're not. You're not finishing it today. Sorry.
Alright. Move. Move.
What is over there? Can you just stop?
Move. What buckle lad? Why are you catching it?
Just stop working out. Say
Yo, stop this my bum buckle lad right now. Stop doing
Can
that.
you wait until I
Stop doing
leave?
that right now. Stop, please.
Wait until I leave.
Where you going?
Wait until I leave.
I'm doing my work in peace, bro.
I ain't gonna be here with you.
I'm not bothering you.
You are bothering me. You're bothering me.
Ooh, that's good. I feel it working.
Because you acting like a damn fool.
Nah, I'm telling you, when you make the noise, the energy push more.
No, it
No,
doesn't.
I understand why the guys in the gym were making all that noise.
I ain't ashamed.
I should have been doing this. I would have been big. Alright?
What?
I would have been big.
For noise?
But this is what I'm telling you, the noise when you do that, cause it's heavy, right? It releases energy. You got strength to pull it in. I'm telling you.
Please.
No, I understand. You ever notice those guys? When in the gym they go like this, and they'll let it out. They get a strength from the noise. It releases energy.
Shane, I'm tired of hearing you.
What?
Seriously.
I got a few more set. You should help me. I want a tip. You go tipping me how to make the noise. Can you tip me this one last one, please? I get the chest. Please?
No.
Please?
No. If I hear that one more time.
That's why I need help though.
I can't.
It's
It sounds
fine.
annoying. Please.
Alright. Let me do the chest again.
Can you just stop, please?
Do some arms real quick.
What do that have to do with guys doing that in the gym?
Hold on.
Please, I'm begging you to stop.
Wait. Stop touching my waist, Lena.
What's my name?
Lena, hold on. I'm almost done. Hold on. Whew, that shit take a lot of energy. Whoa.
When you speak and work out, it takes energy from you.
Ooh.
That's why you shouldn't speak when you work out.
Ooh. Back up. Back up. Back up. Alright, let me do this. That's it. Come. One more set, Lena. One more set. That's it. One more set. That's it.
Please.
One more set. I need a help.
I can't.
Just one more set.
I can't take it.
One more set. I need a help. I need a help, please. Let's come.
No.
Just one set, please. Come.
No.
Just the chest, please. Please.
No, I can't
Please,
take it.
please.
I can't.
I'm not gonna do the noise, Lena. That's why I need that help. That's heavy.
I cannot hear that.
I'm not gonna do it.
No.
Help me. I want you to help me, please. Just one time.
I cannot.
Just one time, Lena, please.
Alright.
One time, alright? Go behind. Go. Stand right here. I want you to tip me.
Just stop touching me. I gotta do all of that.
I'm telling you. Alright, ready? You there?
If I hear one noise, I'm stopping you.
Alright. Let me try not to make noise. Go. Emily, up. Up. Both hands. Come. Up.
Come on. Let's go.
Alright,
Up. No.
Wait.
No.
Wait. Come. Go down. Push it up. Oh, push. You're going up. Push. One more time. Let out.
Put it down.
One more.
I'm not doing that.
Please?
No.
Why?
That's it. I'm done.
I need help, Lena. I'm almost done.
I need to leave.
I'm going 10. I did 3.
No.
Why? Come here. Why?
No. I don't want to hear that. What is it? Where do you get that from?
My strength. That's where I get my strength from.
That's not strength, baby.
Try.
This is your strength right here.
Try it.
No.
That's where you get your strength. It come up naturally, automatically.
Not like tiki.
I'm not doing it on purpose, though.
Not like a tiki. What is that, Shane?
I'm not doing it on purpose,
Yes,
Lena.
you
Try.
are. No.
How am I doing it on purpose?
No. I don't know.
Actually, got legitimately doing it on purpose. You can't control it.
So
once
what?
you're in the mood for this
I don't like the tiki. Whatever the fuck you're doing, I don't want to
once
hear
you're in the mood to work out, automatically it'll come naturally because it's waves. Just push your energy with it.
Shane, you're going. I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna be around it. I can't. That's annoying. I'm leaving.
It's a prank.
Stop playing.
I'm pranking.
Stop playing. I'll punch you.
It's a prank. I'm doing it on purpose.
Stop doing that noise. That noise sounds bad. So you made me put my pineapple on my dresser to say it's a prank? See?
That's a prank.
That's how you work out. Let me try one. Where's the camera?
Camera's hidden somewhere. Alright guys, what's up? Let me know what you think about Lena reaction about this video. I was making some weird noise. I didn't know I could make those noises. But guys, how you feel? Oh, you thought I was doing?
Guys, that was ridiculous. Really? I think whatever.
I know it must be annoying watching this prank as well. I might be annoying you guys as
I'm gonna try one of these.
Viewers.
Ready?
Go.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Up.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Up.
1, 2.
Up. You see, you gotta make noise if you can do it easier. Try the noise and see. Let's try the noise.
I can't focus like that.
You gotta try it though.
No.
I mean, look, guys, Lena was right. She had to get a sunburn. Trying to get tan. She's trying to look like me. Look.
I'm trying to look like him.
She's trying to look like me. Look at my skin complexion. She's trying to look like me.
And I'm trying to be fit like him, guys. I'm trying to be fit like him.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out.